pre-spray, correct?
Yeah, I haven't pre-sprayed nothing but the living room.
Okay, I might leave this camera on for just more.
Oh, and another thing, when I pre-spray, I don't pre-spray the whole house when I'm cleaning with an orbiter because I want to spray the stuff and have it done real wet when I go over. I don't want the carpet dry at all. I want it pretty wet. And if you pre-spray the whole house, 20 minutes when you get to a room, it could be half dried up. I want it wet.
I'm going to keep the camera back. I'll just leave the camera on for a few minutes here so you can kind of see like a real time. This is how it is when we're really working and we're not, you know, concentrating so much on the video. So if you're bored, just stay tuned. We'll start back up to the action here in a minute. I'm just going to watch. I'm going to show them pre-spraying. I don't want to get too close though because that stuff will get up on the camera lens.
Yeah, it's a fine mist.
Yeah, it's going to be airborne. Are you going to do both rooms or just that one?
Just the hallway in this room.
Alright,
that way the other one, I'll spray it
too close here. This room that he's doing right now, it did have some pretty good, had a bunch of stains in it that we took out with
They were so deep in the carpet that they thought the carpet might be torn.
Yeah, I'll put the camera up higher.
It was just dense.
We used the steamer on it. Took a little while. But we're going to try to scrub the rest out.
And it is a nasty mess. It may not show up on video, but this is tough to clean.
There was a big candle wax thing there that we took out.
There was one, yeah.
Yeah, that came out with the steamer. We used the steamer this time because it's a little easier to leave alone and not worry about. You can walk off and leave it set on something that's not going to ruin your
we want to take candle wax out and stuff, so we just melted it with the steamer. Get this extra because this is the bad spot.
Do you have to wash the bonnet still?
Yeah. I'm going to do the hallway with the bonnet the way it is, and then I'll wash it off when I come in this room and have a fresh bonnet clean.
Check that closet if you haven't been in there.
There's nothing like bonnet cleaning in a closet. It's super quick.
Yeah. It's hard to get an extractor into those spots.
But an orbiter, it just slides right off.
I think even people that use a wand with all the hose and everything connected to it, it's tough to get into the real tight closets because you have just so much junk to work with. But Oreck goes right in there and you can maneuver it a lot easier.
Some people have asked us, how do you get corners with the Oreck? Well, I'll tell you the truth. It gets so close into the corners you don't have to worry about it. The pad overhangs for one thing, and it'll kind of push in the corners. When you get done, you can't tell the corners aren't clean. It does hit the corners. Although it's round, it pushes into the corners pretty good. If you don't get the corners 100%, you get 99% of a corner done. So we don't worry about corners. And there's nothing like this for edging. It'll go right up an edge like nothing. Oh yeah, stuff's just coming out like it's magic. If you're doing carpet cleaning and you don't have one of these machines, you are missing out. Now if you got a big machine like a big rotary or whatever, 175 RPM, those are cool. In fact, well, other than the fact that they're heavy to get upstairs and they don't go into real tight spaces, they're faster than this.
You might put a shot of ammonia on each of those little, do you see those?
I see
the little green dots there.
First things first, I'm going to wash out this. Here, let me shoot some ammonia on there right now. Let's start sinking in. Where is it? I can't even see them no more because I think they came out basically.
One's right there. Let's see if you can pick it out. One's there and then one's right